Alright guys, today I'm gonna unbox the Super Copy of the AirPods. So I got this one in Aliexpress, so it came in today. So I'm excited to check this out. Just want to see how it looks. Alright, comes with a free AirPod case. And yep. Alright, so AirPods with wireless charging. And guys, this one has the Apple logo. It looks like the same copy. Alright, let me start with this free case. Yeah, the seller gave me this one as a free gift, so kudos to the seller. And I'm gonna put the link down on the description so you can also check it out. So this one is like $40 that I got. Alright, okay. Okay, let me put this one right on the side. Alright guys. Okay, designed by Apple in California. And here it is. Okay, the packaging is really like the original one. Alright. Okay, the charging cable, the lightning cable, right here. Alright, let's see how the pop-up looks like. Okay. Let's try this. Alright, yeah, so it came up with a pop-up screen. Okay, I'm gonna connect. Hold the button here on the back. Okay. Connecting. Okay. Done. Alright guys, so let's see how it looks. Guys, I'm impressed with this Super Copy. And it's really fast. And it shows the battery level on each. Okay, 93%. Alright guys, and there you have it. I just want to share this unboxing for this Super Copy AirPods. Okay, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and share this to your friends. And see you in my next video. Bye.